Welcome to today's journey beyond our world. For the next few minutes, we will explore the vast universe step by step, discovering how it works, what mysteries it holds, and how humanity is learning more about it every single day. Space is the huge, seemingly infinite area that exists beyond Earth's atmosphere. It begins about 100 kilometers above the Earth's surface, where the blue sky fades into complete darkness. Unlike Earth, space has no breathable air, no weather, and no sound, because sound waves cannot travel without air or another medium. This is why space is often described as silent and empty, although in reality, it is filled with stars, planets, dust, radiation, and energy. The most visible objects in space are stars. Our own sun is a star, but it is only one out of around 200 billion trillion stars in the universe. Stars group together to form galaxies. Our galaxy, the Milky Way, contains more than 100 billion stars. And even the Milky Way is just one of over 2 trillion galaxies discovered so far. The size of the universe is almost beyond imagination. Distances in space are measured in light years. The distance light travels in 1 year, which is nearly 9.5 trillion kilometers. The nearest star to Earth after the Sun is Proxima Centauri, which is over 4 light years away. This means that the light we see from that star tonight actually left it more than 4 years ago. When we look at the stars, we are looking back in time. Planets are large bodies that orbit stars. Our solar system has 8 planets, including Earth. But beyond our solar system, astronomers have discovered thousands of exoplanets. Some of these exoplanets lie in what scientists call the habitable zone, where conditions might be suitable for liquid water and possibly even life. The search for these worlds is one of the most exciting missions in modern astronomy. Planets are large bodies that orbit stars. Our solar system has 8 planets, including Earth. But beyond our solar system, astronomers have discovered thousands of exoplanets. Some of these exoplanets lie in what scientists call the habitable zone, where conditions might be suitable for liquid water and possibly even life. The search for these worlds is one of the most exciting missions in modern astronomy. The universe itself is not standing still. It is expanding. This was first discovered in the early 20th century, and it means that galaxies are moving away from each other. The farther away a galaxy is, the faster it appears to be moving. This discovery led to the theory of the Big Bang, which suggests that the universe began around 13.8 billion years ago from an extremely hot and dense state. When astronomers study the universe, they find that the matter we can see, stars, planets, and galaxies, makes up less than 5% of everything. About 27% is what scientists call dark matter, an invisible substance that does not emit light but has gravity. Even more mysterious is dark energy, making up about 68% of the universe, which seems to be driving the expansion of the universe faster and faster. Together, dark matter and dark energy remain two of the biggest puzzles in science. Humans have only just begun to explore space. So far, astronauts have traveled to the moon, and robotic probes have visited every planet in our solar system. The International Space Station orbits Earth and is a laboratory for studying life in microgravity. Future missions aim to send humans to Mars and beyond, marking the next step in our journey. With new telescopes like the James Webb Space Telescope, astronomers are seeing farther than ever before, capturing light from the first galaxies formed after the Big Bang. Private companies are also entering the field, working on space tourism and building rockets that can be reused. In the future, space may not just be a place for science, but also for travel, industry, and perhaps even settlement. Space is vast, mysterious, and full of wonders that challenge our imagination. From stars and galaxies to black holes and exoplanets, each discovery brings new questions. As technology advances, our understanding of the universe grows, but one truth remains clear. Exploring space is not just about looking outward. It is also about understanding our place within the cosmos.